Okay, I'm going to attempt to show how to configure a wireless network interface on Vista or Windows 7 to a static IP. And let's see, at this point I don't have the right thing up, but it's going to be something like this. Click on the start menu. On yours I think you'll have to go to control panel. I think on mine I go to network. You click on network or internet. And that should take you where you need to get to this other menu. And up here under network and sharing center, I think that's it. You'll see okay, you see this menu. From here we're going to manage. I think we manage wireless networks. No, let's see. Set up a connection to a network. I may get it wrong on this one. Let me see. I think it's manage network connections. Yes, that's it. Manage network connections. Alright, yours may not look exactly the same like I said, but you click on the interface, which is probably this one, the wireless one. You're going to see a wired one that says local area network. You click on the wireless one, and then you could click on properties and click on continue. Now here you're going to choose the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4. Click on that and then click on properties. Later on we'll be using this, but right now we're on TCP/IP-for version 4, in other words. Here's where you change it to use the following IP address, and you simply type in the address. Let's see, 192.168.0.1 or 11 rather. And then the subnet mask, if you click in it, it's automatically going to put the 255.255.255.0, which is adequate for this usage. And the default gateway is going to be .1, in other words 192.168.0.1. For DNS server address, you put 192.168.0.1, and then the alternate IP address, you can put one of those other DNS servers I put in the notes. I don't remember what they were, but I'll put that. That's one of AT&T's name servers. It'll work just fine. If you can't remember it, you can put that one in there. It's always going to use this top one anyhow. You don't even have to put a second one in, but I always fill it all in. And then once you click on OK, it's done. Now this doesn't always work well with a wireless device, and I didn't realize that until after I told you. So you can try it, but you may have to go back and set it back the way it was, because the way wireless works on most computers is it queries the network for a ESSID and then for IP information, which is basically these three things: your your IP address, your gateway, your net mask. Your gateway net mask is not real important, but it has to set 1, and the default is that. But there are 3 things that you really have to have: is the IP address and your gateway address and the domain name server address. Anyway, you click on OK, and that should do it. In this case, I'm going to click on cancel. Anyway, hope this helps. This is the screen you come to before that. Remember that you got one you got to pick. You go to properties there. You click on OK, and it'll go to it. And you choose the, as I'm backtracking here, you choose the wireless device that you want, and you right click on it, and you'll have the context menu that shows properties. And that's how you get to it. And anyway, I hope this helps. Like I say, it may not work worth beans, but it's worth a try.